If she gave you a guilt-free pass to sleep with anybody, would you take it?
No, sir.
He gave you one.
I would take it.
Brother, ditch that frickin' bitch because she ain't worth your frickin' time. The next step is to smash the gym, burn her memories because she was a volatile piece of shit. A simple approach to fix your life is to hop on a 6-day workout split. Full plus hammies to bag the gym mommy. This workout includes the following exercises: unilateral dumbbell rows, lat pull downs, EZ bar curls, pec deck fly, and some rope crunches. Finish the goddamn workout with lying leg curl.
Whoa.
Tuesday is the push workout, just like you pushed your goddamn fake, toxic, woke feminist ex off the goddamn cliff. This workout includes inclined barbell bench press, pec deck fly, seated dumbbell lateral raises, rope tricep push downs, and some forearm work.
No.
Leg days are the ones that fade her frickin' memories down the frickin' wazoo. Barbell squats, but I hope it has the goddamn safety. Unilateral leg extension and standing calf raises. You can also add captain's chair leg raises in the end. Full plus hammies 2 workout will make sure that gym baddies grab you from the frickin' behind. Barbell rows followed by iliac pull downs, then spam preacher curls and chest supported dumbbell skill flies. You can repeat lying hamstring curls, or you can perform other hamstring curl variations like seated hamstring curls or unilateral ham curl using an ankle cuff, or you can also use a goddamn machine to perform the unilateral hamstring curl.
Whoa.
Push day 2 because she chose to push you away so that she could sleep with some random homeless street dude.
I was popping my pussy.
The workout starts off with seated dumbbell shoulder press followed by flat dumbbell fly press, cable lateral raises, and overhead tricep extensions with the goddamn rope. You can also add dumbbell shrugs at the end if your traps looks like a goddamn national highway.
No.
Leg day 2 is on the easiest side because it includes barbell split squats, barbell hip thrust, and seated calf raises, and you can go home. This is a goddamn free workout, and please do mention your genuine feedback in the comment section below, and I hope that message sinks in. And until then, peace out.
देखिए, एक तो बेसिक ट्रिक है, एक तो लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए, महाकाल का दबा के लाइक और शेयर ठोक लीजिए। 5000 लौटे दिख जाना चाहिए। ये 4000 के लिए मैं यहाँ पे नहीं खड़ा हूँ, पूरा साल मेहनत करता हूँ आपके लिए बेटा। ऐसा नहीं चलेगा। लाइक ठोकी दबा के, लाइक ठोकिए। यहाँ पे देखिए, ऐसा क्वेश्चन चुटकी बजाते